GM everyone, my name is Samarth and I'm here to present my project Gambit. If I had to explain Gambit in one line, it would be chess on the blockchain. But this is not a play to earn game. So the problem with existing platforms is that there are very limited incentives for competitive play. And there are no real stakes except the ratings of the players. And that is how Gambit was born. It combines authentic pure chess gameplay with wagering in a new token called the Gambit token and abbreviated as GBT. One more important question is why now? Well, it's like they say, a bear market is a build market. The current narrative has shifted to apps and not chains. So effectively, apps are supposed to bring users on a chain and not the other way around. So in existing models or competitors, it is very easy to farm their tokens and their systems can be very easily gamed. So let me get to the technical architecture for a second. WebSockets form the backbone of Gambit. Every move that is played is communicated via sockets. At the start and end of a game, you're supposed to sign a transaction. This is also sent to the server and to the other player via sockets. For ease of use and a good UX, the server handles some of the transactions for the user via a private key which I have specified myself. Don't worry, it's a private key of one of my developer accounts which has no real funds in it. And there are two smart contracts involved. For example, if they have a wager of 20 tokens and they win the match, Gambit contract updates their match history and also calls Gambit token contract to transfer 20 tokens to their account from the opponent's account. There are 4 game modes: Ranked, Unranked, Arena and Private. And there are 5 tiers in ranked games. Unranked mode will be open to everyone with a wallet. It doesn't matter how many funds they have. I've done this so that it is very easy for new users to experience how Gambit works without actually putting some stake in. And different modes can have different wagers. For example, Ranked mode has fixed wagers based on the tier of the players. Now it's time for the demo. I'll open 2 different browsers. This is the landing page. If you go to the profile right now, it says Hi Anon, which means the person has connected their wallet but they haven't registered yet. And if you click on play now, these 3 modes are locked, but unranked mode is unlocked. Yeah, so registration currently requires 0.01 ETH, and as soon as the user registers, they get 200 GBT tokens in their account. Any tokens that they buy after this will cost 0.01 ETH per 100 tokens. So effectively, the user gets a 2x joining bonus. So I'll enter a username. In my contract, it also checks if the username is already taken, in which case the transaction reverts. Yeah, now the modes have been unlocked. If I refresh this page, yeah, 200 tokens over here. So let's try and play a ranked match. So let me open them side by side. Find match. Since both are in the same tier, they'll get matched. Yeah. Now please sign this message to start the game. So let's sign this message. I'll confirm. So no matter which color wins, I'll be the one winning. And yeah, checkmate. So we get another message, and this time it contains the game history. If you want, we can verify it and then sign the results. If you see, the wager is 10 tokens. And it confirm. Yeah, it says game over, thanks for playing. Now let's go to a profile. Yeah, as you can see, the balance got updated, and this is the match we just played. We won 10 GBT over here. If I go to this profile, the balance is now reflected. And over here, the rating is changed as well. This person gained 20 points. And since nothing's rating was already 0, it can't get lower than that. If you want, you can buy more tokens using this tab. Okay, let me buy 100 more tokens. I'll hit confirm. Yeah, your purchase was successful. We should see the new balance over here. Yeah, and we do. So let's see how other game modes work. Let's check out Arena mode now. So yeah, you can either create a challenge in your own tier, or you can open it to all tiers, and you can set a custom wager amount. I'll create this challenge. So if I go to Arena over here, I'll see this challenge over here. And the rest of the functioning basically remains the same. Unranked mode is basically the same as ranked mode, except for the fact that there are no wagers involved and there's no rating involved over here. You can just play a casual game of chess with a random person. Let's check out private rooms. So again, I can set a custom wager amount. Let's set it to 50. I'll create a new game. So yeah, as you can see, room ID is already copied to my clipboard. So if I go to private room over here and I join an existing game, and the rest of the logic remains basically the same. So yeah, that was the demo. Now the future plans for the game. A functioning leaderboard. Right now, if I go back to my app, if I click on leaderboard, it shows this. So this is something I'll do in the future. There will be tournaments with token rewards, and there will also be NFT profile cards. Information of the player such as their rating and the number of matches won, etc. will be there. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you enjoyed Gambit. See you across the chessboard.